Well, it's 2010. I have the garage door remote, and someone's coming, so. Oh, it's Doug. Here he comes. Here she comes. I'm going to shut the garage door all the way on her.
We got him too.
2 years in a row. 2 years in a row. This is the third day. Second time I'm going to be doing the garage door prank. So when Doug comes out, it's just Doug tonight. So when he comes out, I'll get a video of his reaction when I shut the garage door on him. So stay tuned. And here he comes. A half hour later. Here we go.
Here you go, punk.
He just waited to get something, but try to get him one more time with the garage door. So.
That wasn't the one.
3 times in a row.
Well, of course you stop.
Yep.
When you hear it.
Garage prank 3.
You didn't get me. It's just you jump always. You gotta stop. You don't want to run into the door. I kind of expected it.